Hello, Promaster friends. Today I'm excited to share this video with you. I've been trying to measure the parasitic low of the Promaster chassis for a long time, and I haven't got a chance to get to do it. And today finally I'm going to do it. So first of all, let me show you the equipment I use. This is a high resolution voltmeter and ammeter, and right now it measures 12.6 volt, which is the chassis battery, and the number that is fluctuating in the bottom is the current, the parasitic current used by the Promaster. It says about 85 amps, it's about 85 milliamps. And this ammeter has very high resolution. It could measure up to a tenth of a milliamp. So as you can see, the parasitic low is about 85 milliamps, and occasionally it jumps up to like 160 milliamps, and I don't know why, but it could be the software periodic pinging, the remote control or something like that. But this is what it is. It's roughly 85 milliamps parasitic low. It's very interesting than this. First of all, let me try to measure the Vogue start, see what happened if I turn on Vogue start and see if it increased the parasitic loads or not. Okay, in order for the Vogue start to come on, I have to turn on one of the eco track. I got click, reset. So I got electricity. So my eco track is on. And now my chassis battery is back to 85 milliamps. So I'm going to turn on the Vogue start and see what happened. Vogue start. Okay, I got blue light. So I got Vogue start. And surprise, Vogue start does not draw any current from the Promaster chassis. So all along there was a myth that Vogue start would drain the battery, but in this case that's not true. Alright, let me turn Vogue start off and do something else. Okay, Vogue start is off. My ego track is also off. Okay, let's take a look at the chassis current. The chassis current jumped up to about 300 some milliamp. Now it's back to 85, the normal level. So the next thing I want to try is I'm going to use the key to open the door. So this is the key. I'm going to open the doors and see what happened. Okay, wow. It draw 1 amp, more than 1 amp just to open the door. Now it's 1 point, okay, it's 1 amp. Now it's coming back down. Okay, so just having the key to undo the door, now the parasitic low is up to 170, it's up to 137 amps. So just undo the door would increase the parasitic low. So it used to be 85 milliamp. With the door unlocked, it's now 137 milliamp. Okay, let me open the front passenger driver door. Okay, the door's open. And now it's drawing 1.1 amps. This is not milliamp, this is amp. Right now it's drawing 1.1 amp just with the front door open. Okay, with the front door open, it draws 1.1 amp. Let me close it back up. Okay, it is still at, okay, now the current is coming back down. The parasitic current is down to 137. I think that's what it was before we opened the door. Now let me try the slide door and see what happened. Okay, opening the slide door. Okay, with the slide door open, it's 1.23. Okay, it's coming down as 1 amp. It's about 1 amp right now with the slide door open. So that kind of explained it last time when I have the door open and listened to the music, and the battery went down really fast. So apparently leaving the door open would take about 1 amp from the chassis battery to keep it open. So right now it's 990 milliamps, which is close to 1 amp. Let me close the door back up. Okay, the door is closed back up. It's still 1.2 amps, but it's coming back down to 160 some milliamps. So I believe I'm going to lock all the doors and see what happens. So I'm going to lock all the door to make it back to the original pre-test condition. So now all the doors are locked, and we'll see what is the parasitic current. It should settle back down to about 85 milliamps. That's what it is. By the way, I don't have any power steps because I have the power step disabled, even though the circuit is still connected. But I pull the plugs on the power step so that the drain on the power step should be minimal. If you still have your power step connected, you will see a higher drain. So the Promaster vehicle right now is still using some 240 some milliamps of electricity, and I believe eventually it would settle down to about 85 milliamps when it has a chance to finish all its lockup tasks, and I don't know what they are. Right now it's still pulling 250 milliamps, and so this test, it is a surprise to me. I have not worried about it because I have a solar charger to charge the chassis battery, but I thought it's interesting to measure the drain. And I don't know. Okay, Now it's coming back down. Now it's coming back down to the standard 85 milliamps of steady state drain. So if I leave this vehicle alone, it will continue to drain about 85 milliamps, and then occasionally it will pink some I don't know, key fobs or whatever. It occasion would jump up to 160-ish milliamps. But okay, so this is the end of test. So in order for you to save electricity, make sure, okay, it jumped up. Make sure you keep the door locks. That way you would have the minimum drain. And if you have the doors open, it will drain about 1 amp. And if you have the door unlocked, it will drain also. So save your battery, lock up your door tight, and have fun. Bye-bye.